Dad has the rotor and the drive shaft and the brake and everything back together here. It is Tuesday. I think it's February 6th. And let's see what Dad has to say. So, what's the latest?
King Charles is prostate is kicking
Yeah,
up on him.
well, I heard that. So what's the latest here on the Bombardier?
Well, this is all ready.
Okay.
We're ready for a test run.
Okay.
And put the tools away. And
I noticed you were polishing the door catch there.
I want the door to fit easier, right?
Okay. So what are we going to do here now?
I'm going to put the tools away and then
Possible test run?
we're going to test run.
Okay. Okay. Everything back together. We're going to do another test run here to make sure everything is sound and whatnot. That has a few little tweaks left here, but he's going to start it up. We're going to test the brakes and the transmission mount and everything. Start it up great. I'm going to open up the back doors and then we're going to go for a test run. We got the back doors open. We're going to let it warm up a bit and then we're going to move it. Okay, I'm just going to close the doors here and we're going to go for a test run. Okay, so I'm in the back here. Nothing seems to be moving violently, which is good.
How's the brake lock?
Yeah, it looks good. Fuck me, it's up and down again, Dad. run and we're back in the shop again. And Dad's got to do some more tweaking on that brake.
I have to weld a plate in here.
Okay.
And then put a U-bolt over top.
Okay.
So that this can't come up. Eh? I'm gonna get a bar and just see. This isn't wreck that transmission though. Yeah. Fuck, that brake is hot. I thought it was oil. That's grease flying off of there and landing on here. You know, the grease I put on the rotor.
Yep. So, Dad's working on another piece of a brace over here. We got our U-bolt box out. Dad's gonna re-brace this down so there's a U-bolt there so it doesn't bounce up and down anymore. Well, good morning or good afternoon everybody. It's Wednesday, February 7th and Dad's been working all morning.
This is the mount now.
Okay.
And it's rubber under there for a little bit of a cushion for movement.
Yeah.
It's a U-bolt with lock nuts on it.
Okay.
I reinforced this plate here on both sides, so we're ready for a test run.
It's the third test run. How confident are we on this one?
Pretty damn confident.
Okay. And so everything as you see is all put together here. Dad's got the gear shifter done. Dad's marked it, but it's all, he's put the little notches in there as well. We've got the other Bombardier seat. We're just going to give that to the client. My mother's just putting some new fabric on it. Dad'll probably bolt it in. That might be the last thing. But if we can do the next test run and everything's good, then we're going to call the client and tell them that it's all ready to be picked up. And it is February 7th, like I said, so we're long overdue for getting this to the customer. But Dad's got a little bit of touch-up work here and there he's going to do. But I think if we can do the test run successfully, then we can call, and by the time the customer gets here, everything's good. What's left to do there, Dad?
I want to hook these ground wires up.
Okay.
I got everything here. And the test run it, put the floor in, and put the seat in.
Yep.
Okay, that's it.
So this is the floor here for the back floor. We're just going to slide that one back in. This is the cover that goes over the back here for the back seat. So we just got to put that back in there too. Dad's done all the other work, and I just told Dad to slow down, tackle each project as he has to tackle it here, because this machine's been stressful enough for him, but he's got a few final little tasks here. Like we said here, this has been the most stressful part here, and we're really hoping we have a really good test run here today. The cat pissed you off, eh? You don't want it in your
Ever since
living room.
he hooked him, he doesn't have any use for it.
Yeah.